Everyone, this is me Sangram. You are watching Career Adda with Sangram. Today the job update is for all the experienced professional. So the company name is EY and it is hiring for Power BI analyst, or you can say it as a data analyst role. So the job location is Pune and you can earn up to 15 lakh per annum in this role, and this job opportunity is only for the experienced professional. So if you are a fresher, I'll advise you to skip this video and you can check with another job opportunities in this channel. So let's discuss about the job opportunity. So this is EY GDS and they have provided all the details here. So as your day-to-day responsibilities, you need to work as a Power BI developer. You need to develop a lot of dashboards based on the business requirements. Also you need to work on data analytics. You should need to learn about DAX and advanced Power BI. Also, if you have any certifications on Power BI, then that will be a plus for you. Below they have mentioned the skills and attributes. Overall experience, they have mentioned 2 to 3 years experience, 1 to 2 years experience required in SQL, and SQL is a must skill for this role because it's a data analyst role, and 2 years of hands-on experience on visualization report in Power BI, and experience working with Power Apps and Power Automate as well. Then let's talk about the eligibility criteria. So bachelor's, master's degree in science, engineering, MCA, MBA. As a Power BI professional, you will be involved in designing, development, testing, and deployment of Power BI dashboards. Ideally, you should have exposure to other BI tools like Tableau, and it will be a good skill for you if you know about Tableau as well. And also they have mentioned strong verbal and written communication skill. So that's all about the job opportunity. Below you can find the apply now button. If you are interested, you can directly apply here. And if you are new to this channel, you can subscribe the channel to get regular job updates and career related updates here. And if there is any doubt, you can ask me in the comment section. Thank you for watching. Take care and bye.